Hey guys, it's Angelina. Today I'm going to be showing you my new room. I usually go for bohemian vibes when I make my room. This year I decided to make it colorful, creative, and artsy. So yeah, if you want to see my room, then keep watching. Okay, so this is my room. This is the setup. Quick overview. Okay. So starting with my door, I have a Justin Bieber poster and then a VIP poster because I met him, if you didn't know that. And then I have this World of Dance like signature thing. And then I have my like competition lanyards and like VIP concert stuff. So over here I have my brick wall. It kind of looks bad, but it's okay, it's still a cool concept. Then over here, I have some photos. Just a bunch of like family pictures. Now moving on, yeah, I guess we can go to this wall, man. So I just put this up. It's a like flower wall thing. It's not like super nice or anything, but it's kind of cool. And then I have my closet. I'm not showing you inside of there. Then we have my nightstand situation. This is like my desk, but I don't like sitting at desks at all. I use my bed as a place where I write and stuff, but we'll get into that in a second. I have this lamp from Target. Then I have this butterfly thing that I made in ceramics class. I just keep some pictures in there. Then I have my glasses, this like glasses holder. Then I have this picture of me and my friends. Next, kids, follow us on our channel. We make dance videos, super dope, so you should check us out. Then I have this like container thing with my Dreamville lighter for my candles and then some chapsticks. This is my junk drawer. Do you guys want to see inside? I guess you can see. Yeah. I need to organize it. Okay, here I have my pens, pencils, all of that in there, and then like I have like similar pens, so they get their own cup. Then my colored pencils and markers are in this box. Then underneath I have like a ruler and my tape and scissors are in there. Then I have my old memory jars from 2016 and 17. I've been bullet journaling on this simple notebook, so if you want a video on that, I will show you. So yeah, I take this and this with me everywhere. This is where I keep my favorite bullet journaling pens. This is a notebook for like research I do on my own. I just like studying people that I look up to and like taking notes and seeing how I can apply some of their tips to my life. Then I just have a bunch of books and notebooks and stuff right there. So yeah, this is like my sanctuary. Then we have my bed. I have a duvet on right now with no duvet cover. My bed is pretty simple right now. I really like it though. And I used to have tapestries. I change my room like every 2 years, or at least change my tapestry. But yeah, now I just have this peace sign wreath that I made myself, and I put some flowers around it. Next, I have this table. It just holds some books and gems and crystals. I don't know where my other ones went. And then I just use like extra flowers here. And I have these affirmation cards. And this is the one I pulled out today. So you could pause the video and read it, but it's basically talking about respecting your potential and like trusting your journey and stuff. So that's cool. This dream catcher is for my sister. She got it for me from Mexico. That's super dope. Then up here, I just have a candle, a plant from IKEA, this card thing. There's like a bunch of quotes in here that you could pick from every day. Like, see that? Yeah, and my sister gave it to me. Then I have 2 poetry books and then the Bible on top of that. Yeah. Okay, moving on to this wall. This wall is new. Yeah. Starting down here, I have my mirror that's always been there. It's from Ross. Then I have a stool from Ross. This is actually a pillow cover, this like tapestry thing right here. But I did not have a pillow that big, so I just put it on my stool and it fit perfectly, so that's cool. Let's just continue going down. So I have my record player, I have my records, and then I have my laundry basket with a IKEA rug on top, and then my favorite Justin Bieber blanket, or my favorite blanket in general, from the Purpose tour. Then I have some art pieces. All of these are mine, except for this one, this hand right here. This dream catcher is from Tilly's. Not sure where that one is from. My friend gave it to me. Yeah, that's my art, other than the hand, remember? The hand one, though, is from Urban Outfitters. Then this sunflower rests on my windowsill. Yeah, is that what it's called? It's from Walmart. It was $5. Then I have this bumblebee hive that I made in ceramics. Then I have this yin yang thing, some Polaroids. This is all my art. Even this dream catcher, I made that at my party. So I'm really proud of it. Okay, now moving on to this side of the wall. I have my dresser. Cool. Not showing you inside. First, on the dresser, I have some ceramics that I made, a sunflower and a peace sign. This is from the Disney store. Then going up, I have some pictures. This is my senior portraits. I think I was 5 in this photo. Then I went to a sunflower field the other week. It was so beautiful. This was for my sister's birth, and that's her now. Oops. That's for my party, these 2 pictures. My graduation party. Then I have my graduation party guest book. If you ever need inspiration, I just use a simple notebook and I let people just write as much as they wanted, and they just got creative with washi tape, and yeah, I really liked this idea. Then I have this picture of me and my mom. I painted the frame myself. This thing is like a fake grass. I got it from Michael's. It was actually meant for missions, but I liked the texture, so yeah. This is from my graduation party again, these pictures. My Fujifilm camera that takes all these pictures. And I have some pens, my 2018 memory jar. And then I have this box that I made in ceramics. Keep clips there. This bottle of fake sunflowers, which is hiding my jewelry stand. Then I have more ceramic stuff, a sunflower in my positivity cup that I made, super cute. Picture of me and my aunts. I painted the frame myself. Then I have this world peace ceramics art that I made, and then another gratitude ceramics thing that I made. Yeah. Next is the last thing in my room. It is this wall of inspiration. This is what I see when I wake up every morning, and this is what I see when I'm dancing. These mirrors are from Target. I had to cut them out of their frame. Yeah, I just have my wall of inspiration. It has changed since the video I posted about it, but if you want to see that video, it'll be on the the screen. But that's basically it. So that is my room. I'll do an overview. And me. Look at my stance. Oh my gosh. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed that room tour. That's all for this video, and if you want to stay connected with me and my artsy side, then follow me on Instagram. I'm at AngelinaMJ. And also, like I mentioned in the video, I do have a dance channel with my friends, and we make dance choreography videos as well as food challenges and tags and things like that. So if you want to see that with a bunch of like really close funny people, then link will be in the description box. I think you guys will like us. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys next time. Peace and love.